Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MetLife for life insurance policy access easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for MetLife's official website. Once the page loads, locate the login option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding box. Before proceeding, ensure that your information is entered correctly. If you'd like, you can select the Remember Me option for faster access next time. After verifying your details, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your MetLife account dashboard. For those who may have forgotten their password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email address. Once logged in, navigate to the section for life insurance policies. Here, you can view and manage your life insurance details. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check the FAQ section for assistance. You are now ready to access your MetLife life insurance policy easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.